So the thing that I don't see in science is that most of this is not in tinnitus treatment plans, but it is the real stuff that people show me inside our online tinnitus club and also in my coaching work every single week. And here's a little bit of a final rounding up of this video. I'm not anti-science, right? I'm not saying we shouldn't look for a tinnitus cure. No, we should, absolutely. And I'm hoping that eventually maybe I will get more of my hearing back as well through science, right? But I believe that real relief happens when lived experience, so the work that we do every single week in the club or I do every single week with my coaching sessions, when that is met by a real life application and when these things integrate and come together.